Now, how to copy and paste in Excel? How to do what? How to copy and paste in Excel. You can copy individually. By words, highlighting the cell. You come up here, copy. You click on copy. Then you can see the dash box, rounding it. Then you can come here, go to your ribbon, paste. You can see that it is giving us hash. It means that the cell cannot contain the figure that is there. What you need to do is to highlight and allow your cursor to turn to plus. Then what you do is double click. When you double click, it will spread and display the figure that is there. We can equally copy as many as we want. Then come to your copy ribbon. When you come to your ribbon, copy it, click on your copy tab on your copy this thing. Then come back here, come to your ribbon again, you can paste. When you paste, some can show and some might show, while some may not show. So what you need to do is to come here again, allow your this thing to turn to plus, and not the big one, the small one like this. Then you come to the edge, double click, then it will display all. You can also use your control C to copy, while control V to do what, to paste. And when, let's say we want to copy, or let us say now we want to move it into another sheet like this one. Like this sheet, it has no data. Now we want to move the table. We can equally highlight it, then press your Control X, or you come to your ribbon like this. When you come to your ribbon, then you can click on this scissors, then it will cut it out for you. It will cut it out for you. Then press your Control X. No, I am not going to cut it. I'm not going to cut it. I'm coming here for this one, here, for this one. So let me cut out this one for this one. Now press when you highlight it, press your Control X, it will cut it out. Go back to the sheet, then you press Control V. As you see it, you press Control V. You can also cut more. You can cut more out. Let me say you can move more. That is how to move from one place to how to move data from one place to another. Let us copy. Control V to copy, or you come here, this place, you click on it. Now when you click on it, you can come to your clipboard here on your ribbon, this place. When you click it, it's going to display all that you have on your clipboard. You can either delete it or paste it. Let's say now you want to paste it. Click here, then you do what? Paste all. So that is how to paste. For that, you can close it back. That is how to paste. For that, what else again? The shortcut for copy is Ctrl C for copy, while shortcut for cut, to move from one place to cut it out, Ctrl X, while shortcut for paste is Ctrl V. That is for